Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the print area in Excel. Now for us to proceed, I have this particular table right here, and I can go ahead and proceed with this one I'm going to show you. So let's go ahead and highlight something, say for example this particular part right here, and then what we can do is click the insert and or page layout rather, and then we have print area here. Go ahead and select set print area, and once it's done, you can go ahead and look for the other, say for example, this one right here, and you can go ahead and proceed, say this one. I'm going to go ahead and add this to the print area. There you go. And you can see that they're both active in the print area because you can see this thin line right here. So for the first part, so as you can see, there's a thin line and the same thing here. So yeah, that's how you are going to do it. Basically from this point forward, you're just going to click Control P in order for you to be able to print this out. And that, everybody, is how you're going to set print area in Excel.